Welcome. This is day 14 of 100 Days of Code. I've been working through a bunch of data structures and algorithm stuff. Did some linked list operations yesterday, like push, insert, unshift, and comparing them to array operations. Then like removing things at positions. So gonna review those today, and then gonna start doing some coding problems on or dealing with linked lists. And a guy on Twitter mentioned something about reversing a linked list and said it took him a while. So I'm gonna try that and then see if I can find the problem that he was doing. So I think I have an idea of how to solve it, but I'm not sure. So let's see. Okay, so yesterday, day 13, I did unshift, insert, and push, remove at position. Oh, and then finding the length iteratively and recursively. Oh, and I did this little traverse. Cool. And I think there's tests set up for everything. I don't need this right now. Yep. Sweet. Got my node already. Man, I think let's see. A lot of the stuff that I was looking up on linked lists actually had a linked list class with a node class in it, and the linked list would initialize head as the first node. I think I would still want to pass in head to these methods. Oh, unless I made this class traversal the linked list class. Yeah, I think I'll try that. Change it up from yesterday. I don't know that I need to do that. Yeah, let's not do that. And I'll make this linked list. And this also becomes linked list. Then def initialize. What if I could initialize it from an array? Node.new array 0. And then for I in 1 dot array dot length minus 1. Set temp equal to node.new. This will be array I. I set heads next to. Oh, maybe I could do something like this. Head is nil if head equal dot nil. I've been in JavaScript land. Then I want at head to equal no dot new. I could just make this if I equals 0, and that'll guarantee it. And then I want to do next after this. This will be array I. That means I've set head. Yeah, I really want to do head dot nil here. And then if head dot next dot nil, head dot next equals temp. So yesterday I did this by just building the linked list out of the node here. And today I'm going to try to do it a little bit more programmatically. That's the word I'm looking for. So I can just pass linked list initialize pass an array into the new linked list. Yeah, those are the words I was looking for. Okay. And then we have temp. This may or may not work, not sure. Oh, maybe I should try this without doing any of the temp stuff or the head stuff. I want this to equal 0. So then temp now equals the new node. It's getting a little fuzzy for me. And then temp dot next will equal the next one. I guess I need to have 2. And so the first time this will be initialized. maybe my first one was going to be better. So, node dot new array 0. This gets weird because I have to keep up with the previous and the current. Oh, I guess current will be this, and then previous dot next equals current, and then previous equals current, right? So that means current is initialized as a new node, and then previous dot next should make that if unless previous is nil. Previous dot is it's just nil. Previous equals current. Yeah, that can always be true. And then I can make previous at head. So I won't need this. And then I want to print out at head. Let's see if this works. And I'll have to change all my tests because this is now a linked list. Dot new, and I want this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's make it 6, just for funsies. Really break all the tests. Okay, and this is not going to be a thing anymore. This will be linked list.traverse. Oh, I need to make an attribute accessor for head. Attribute accessor head. Yeah, great. Because then but I don't need to. I can just traverse the current linked list. Ugh. The Ruby magic. Okay. Let's run the tests. They might fail. It's fine. Test. What are they called? Test linked list traversal. Syntax error. Where? Linked list traversal 27. Expecting. Oh, okay. That will do it. Let's run these tests again. Failed. That's okay. But it did do it. Nice. And we printed out the nodes appropriately, I think. Value is 1. Next is a value 2. Next is a value 3. Next is a value 4. Next is a value 5. And next is a value 6. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay. Cool. I'm excited. Okay. We don't need to print this anymore. We know that works. That means for every one of these methods, we can now just reference head directly. This test needs to be fixed because now it has a 6 in it, not a G. Now we can uncomment this. And unshift. Yeah. Oh, this gets crazy. And it's not traversal anymore. It is linked list. And this is linked list. Yep, that all looks good, except for this now has to have a 6 on it. Cool. Cool. Yeah, cool. All right. So we don't need head. We do need to... Right, because this is just adding something to the front, so this is fairly straightforward. Create a new node. Dot new val. Yep, that's right. And then node dot next equals head and return node. Go run the tests. Broken. Oh. Huh. Is this the same instance? I wonder. Node value 10, followed by node value of 1. All right. I think these are the same instance. Oh, I'm not resetting head. Got it. I need to make at head equal to node now. Whoop whoop. Okay, that's cool. Next up, we will do insert. Don't need this. Don't need that. Oh, yep. This is now a linked list. And this is now a linked list. Okay. We can remove head. Okay, I'll start out by just basically doing the same thing I did yesterday. Node.new val. That needs to happen to initialize the new node. And then previous node equals nil. Temp equals head. And then we need to traverse the array. While temp is not nil. Temp.value equals previous node value. We want to set previous node to temp. And break. Save a few cycles. Temp equals temp dot next. And that's the traversal loop. And then node.next equals previous node dot next. Right. Because we're inserting it at the node that we found, so its next becomes the new node's next. Yeah. And then previous node dot next is equal to the new node. And now that's it. Because head stays the same. Oh yeah, let's make sure that test is set up right. Yep, looks right. Let's run it. Haha. Okay, so it worked, but I have to add the 6. Because I lengthened my linked list. Cool. Alright, let's get the test ready for push. Linked list. Right, this just goes on the end. So I will need to add the 6. I remembered this time. Alright, I think the test is ready. Oh, yeah, I think I can remove a little, or the top line, the node equals new node val. We just make temp equals head while yeah, oh my gosh. The autofill's getting a little aggressive. I'm not sure I like it. Okay, if temp dot next dot nil, temp dot next equals node dot new val break and end, and then temp equals temp dot next. I think that's all we gotta do. Not include this here. Just val. Test is set up. Yep. Let's run it. Yes. Okay. Next is remove. Don't need head. Ugh. We don't need that either. So now you know what? Just for funsies, let's call it current equals head, just to break my brain. And let's do the while true. If temp dot next dot next. Oh no, it's just next dot value. Equal val. Temp dot next equals temp dot next dot next. Temp equals temp dot next. So we're not actually deallocating the memory here like I assume you would with C or C++. My assumption is that because it's not referenced by anything anymore, garbage collection would free up the memory. If that's wrong, let me know. Undefined method remove. That doesn't seem right. Oh, linked list K. Yeah, of course that happened. I renamed it current and then promptly used temp everywhere else. Cool, that works. Now we need remove at position. Right, there's two tests for this. Because position 0 was a little tricky. Don't need to pass head. Same here. Man, actually adding the linked list initialization from an array, it cleans up the tests a ton. It's super awesome. Okay, I think my tests are ready. Now we need to remove at position. Oh, we won't actually return anything. We'll do at head equals head.next if position equals 1. Oh, I just made a range and iterated up to that range and skipped it. Use a while loop today. I is equal to 2. I don't know if that's right. It's less than position. The reason I'm setting temp.next is because if you're on the actual node, you can't really remove it or dereference it. Okay. I want temp equals nil. Oh, this is cool. Temp dot next. I was gonna say I could do if I equals position minus 1, but I don't know that that would actually save any memory. Yeah, I don't think it does because we're already allocating that temp anyway. Yeah, that makes all the sense. This needs to be head. Oh, and I guess we don't. I'll leave it. And then temp dot next equals temp dot next dot next. This one feels awkward to me. Looks right though. Broken. Undefined method next. Broke on the first one. For nil class in traversal 94. Right. I did these as positions, and I'm actually going to do these as indexes. Ugh. Just make notes everywhere. Position is 0 indexed. Because that is not immediately apparent. So that means if position equals 0, and I can initialize this at 1, I think the test will still fail, but it'll make a little bit more sense. Okay. It's failing here. Oh, it didn't actually save. Whoa. Right, seems like a lot. I need to add some. Oh gosh. My favorite delimiters. Oh, it just keeps going until it breaks. Why? Do this every time. Yay! Yay, it works. Cool. So next up is length iterative and length recursive, and then I'm done with the review. Yeah, I guess I did a lot yesterday in a short amount of time. Don't need to pass in head, and these will be 6s. I'll do length iterative first. Need to set a count. Oh, wait, actually, well, let's call this what it is. It's length. And then while I wonder if there's a not nil helper. Let's see. Ruby not nil. T, perfect. Yeah, not using Rails. Okay. Cool. Ruby forum. Okay, cool. I guess there's not. That's okay. It's mostly just curious. Next. And then length plus equals 1. Definitely want to return length on this one. Whoa, would it break? Oh, remove it position 1? What? Traversal test 41. All right, undefined method linked it. Or okay, I think I've got some typos. Yep, not typos, just truly doesn't exist. Probably rename these to be appropriate. Okay. Don't need to pass head to this. All these little things. Tests are so nice. I don't know why this breaks. 2, 4, 5, 6. It's acting like... These are still sharing. Oh. Silly me. So I set the head. But I didn't actually return. Might have gotten a little close there. Oh, invalid break. All right, good to know. Line 82. Oh, it's too far removed for the attribute accessor. Nice. Yeah, I don't get the scoping on instance variables. It confuses me a little. Instance variables are these ones defined and initialized with the @ symbol in front of them. Okay, so tests work there. Now I just need to do recursive. This is 6. This is linked list. I remembered. Yeah, this one blows my mind. Return 0 if dot nil. Oh, we have to pass in head here. I think I can get away with that. It's so tiny. Let's make sure the tests look good. Yeah, let's remove that. And run them. Sweet. Okay. Now we do get status, get add, get commit, review, linked list operations. Yep, good enough. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's see if I can figure out how to reverse. Gonna do it without looking anything up. Test, reverse. That is going to look something like 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This will be traverse. And this will be reverse. Def reverse. Just thinking through it, I think the easiest way will be to make a stack. And then we want to traverse temp equals head. And then while temp dot nil, but not really. Yeah, so temp equals temp dot next, and that traverses. But what I really want to do is stack dot push temp. And then I just want to look at the stack real quick. Oh, it's gonna be so messy, but I think it'll be okay because I'll dereference everything. Oh yeah, look at that. But the last one, nice. Okay, and now we want to do while stack is not empty. Oh, just to be safe, I'm gonna do head equals stack dot pop, and then at head dot next equals nil. And then at head dot next equals stack wait a second. Temp equals head. Temp dot next equals stack dot pop. Oh no, I'm gonna do current equals stack dot pop, and temp dot next equals current, and then current equals temp. No, that's backwards. Temp equals current, and temp is really previous. And I think that's it. Let's run the test. Uh-oh, infinite loop. Let's see what's happening. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay, so previous equals head, current equals stack.pop. Okay. So this would be, current will be 5. And then head.next will be 5. And then previous equals 5. It wasn't that easy. That's okay. Okay, how about I print the stack and stack dot length, because it's really an array. Oh. So it gets to 0. What the heck is happening? Stack dot length not not equal 0. Still the same thing. All right, it's got to be something simple that I'm missing. Okay, I can just do this and break if dot length equals 0. What? Okay, maybe something's wrong with my test. Test reverse. No assertions are being done. Okay, still nothing. Don't have weird nesting, right? Okay, don't know what's going on there. We'll try something different. We'll do fair. It still just hangs. Why does it just hang? What am I missing? Do I need to like return? That's not it. Okay, so something weird has to be going on with stack.length. Let's see if I can pull this out into a variable. What? Is this making some weird loop? Okay, so let's assume my while loop is fine. Yeah, gotta go back to the original one. While the stack is not empty. Okay, Okay, it does finish. Okay. Good. Wonder if I need to do current dot next equals nil, and then set previous dot next to current. Ah, okay. Previous equals current. Yes. Cool. Man, setting that to nil makes a big difference, huh? Because without this line, infinite loop, or just breaks, or I don't know. I wonder what actually happens. All right, let's see if there's an article on that. In Geeks for Geeks. Reverse a linked list. Perfect. Whoa. Ooh, cool visual. Very cool visual. Dang, I didn't do it any of these ways. Okay. Oh, reverse util. Fix current node, previous node, and head. Oh, because you always want to keep up with the head. And then reverse next is current. Okay. Using stack. This is exactly what I did. Let's see. First linked list. Reverse linked list. Okay, create a stack of S. Yep, stack. Temp is set to head. Oh, while temp.next is not null. All right. Yeah, I'm just pushing everything to the stack. Yep, and while the stack is not empty, pop the value. Oh, that's a little bit cleaner than what I did. Huh. Insert back of the linked list. Yeah, I don't know what that's about. Okay, cool. Did end up doing something similar to that. Yeah, this took a good bit. All right. Nice. So, been doing stuff with linked lists and just implemented a reverse. Had no idea how to do it. Guy on Twitter mentioned something about it, and I thought I would try it because he was also doing stuff with linked lists. And my first thought was to do it with the stack, and I just wanted to see what Geeks for Geeks had on reversing a linked list. Looks like there's an iterative version that just moves all the pointers around as you get through it. There's several of them that do stuff with current, previous, and next. Yeah, I don't know why the stack just made sense to me. Basically, you'd take the linked list and traverse through it, push everything onto the stack, and then pop everything off of it and set the next stuff to the right things. I wonder if I could do this with just stack.pop. Or is it going to have that weird infinite loop thing? Oh. Oh, yeah. Previous now equals a previous.next. Where's current? Did I not save? I didn't save. And it's broke. Cool, so I kind of have to do that. I wonder if I could do rev.next equals nil, and if that will solve it. Ha! Totally will. That's so silly. Okay. Get status. Get status. And get commit. Add linked list reverse. Push. Let's update the README. Review linked list operations. Yeah, I'm just gonna say see day 13 below. And then linked list reverse. I don't actually think, yeah, I'll link it. Maybe I'll add that one. Sweet. Status, get add, get commit, add day 14 to the README. Sweet. All right, that's awesome. If you're seeing this now and listening to me, thank you so much for watching and hanging out. It really means a lot. That's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.